wala niya pa ibawa ang mga Pilipino nga content na day ang gihimo. So may gabi ka natong tanan, no? So karon mga par ay kaning pag-react nato karon part 2 ni atong Russian nga vlogger mga par nga nang haras ug nang bully sa atong kababayan nato nga Pilipino. Karon nang kani ako ipakita ninyo mga par katuning sa wala pa siya madakpian ni sa aktual pa ni nga iyang gibuhat nga nagbugal-bugal siya sa mga atong mga kababayan nato mga Pilipino mga par. Mga par ako ipakita ninyo ha.
To go to sleep, but I got some breaking news for you guys here in the Philippines. That Russian YouTuber Vitaly Zhidovsky, who was harassing and disrespecting Filipinos while filming at one professional city in Taguig, was caught by police officers in front of a hotel along Seaside Boulevard in Pasay City on Wednesday, based on a mission order from the Bureau of Immigration, according to CIDG. Whoa, fantastic news! I am very happy to see immigration,
nag-react ang ubang tagalay na so
this guy was being completely obnoxious.
Russian bisa ni ang nag-react.
Fame that he really wanted desperately. This guy is just being complete douchebag. I don't know what other word. Like, when you're out there purposefully trying to be disrespectful, barking at people, saying you're gonna rob them, and all this nonsense. What are you doing? You're over 30. You're in your 30s, bro. Grow up. Like, at some point, you gotta get past this kind of prank kind of videos. So, as we all wanted in the comment section, some excellent news. I was just about to go to sleep, to be honest, and I seen this. Somebody said he got caught, and I didn't believe it. And somebody else said he got caught. So multiple sources have now come out and said he's been arrested. So once more detail comes out, I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you guys like that positive news, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We just crossed 9,000. We're on our way to 10,000. That's it. If you guys don't know what happened, I'll give you a little bit more detail in case this is the first video you're watching about the story. Now, I already made tomorrow's video edited and it's about to be released. So I couldn't wait a whole other day to release this. I got out of bed and I made this video. So in a kick-stream video titled Vitaly disturbed the peace in the Philippines with a devil emoji, the content creator is seen messing around with Pinoys at Bonifacio City by riding a patrol motorcycle, stealing a security guard's cap multiple times, and playing petty pranks with passerby. The 33-year-old streamer can even be seen threatening to rob a woman as a prank, saying, quote,
wala niya pa ibawa ang mga Pilipino nga content na day ang gihimo. Pero lain niya tanawon kay niya pa ibawa ang iyang giharas nga ma-involve sa iyang content niya.
Lady Gaga's paparazzi. Among other stunts he pulled was stealing a heavy-duty electric fan from a restaurant and bringing it inside a hotel. Vitaly also drove a tricycle, but eventually sideswiped a passenger and slightly crashed into a parked jeepney. His pranks did not sit well along social media users. There's all kinds of videos about it. I'm not going to get back into all that, but yeah, looks like justice and karma and whatever you want to call it. Everybody came together, expats, foreigners, locals. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the latest on this story. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a regularly scheduled video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'm going to go shoot.
So, kuya ko yung, content ba? Kay mangharas niya. Ang iyang giharas niya, wala niya pa ibaw nga ma-involve sa iyang pag-content. So, siyempre, ang iyang giharas niya, siyempre mag-react yun na, marang makalitan ba? Kay, basig nagtuo ito nga tinuod, pero content na day ang gihimo. Pero, bati sa kay tanahon mga parna, mismo, mga kababayan nato nga Pilipino, ay mabuli sa mga inana nga pamaagi nga murag tinuod tanahon pero content ra day niya.